Did you know cats have more bones in their bodies than humans? That's right, our feline friends are equipped with an impressive 230 bones, outdoing us humans who only have 206. This skeletal advantage contributes significantly to a cat's flexibility and agility, making them the acrobatic marvels we love and admire. So next time you see a cat leap or twist in midair, remember it's all down to those extra bones. Ever wondered why cats sleep so much? Well, it's a fascinating tale of feline biology and behavior. Cats are known to snooze for an average of 13 to 14 hours a day. Yes, you heard it right. More than half of their day is spent in Dreamland. Now you might be thinking, that's a lot of sleep. But there's a good reason for it. Cats are crepuscular. This term, derived from the Latin word crepusculum, means twilight. Cats are most active during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. This is a trait they've inherited from their wild ancestors, who found these hours perfect for hunting. This crepuscular behavior means while we humans are up and about during the day, our feline companions are comfortably curled up, catching some Z's. They conserve their energy for their active twilight hours, so while we're busy during the day, our feline friends are catching some Z's. Can a cat's purr actually heal? You might just find the answer surprising. Feline purrs aren't just for expressing contentment, they have healing properties too. That's right, your kitty's soothing vibrations can promote healing in their own bodies and potentially even yours. Just how does this work? It's all about the frequency. Cats purr at a frequency between 25 Hz to 150 Hz. Curiously enough, this is the same frequency range that's been proven effective in treating bone fractures, wound healing, and reducing inflammation. In fact, some scientists suggest that the healing power of purring might be an evolutionary trait that helps cats recover quickly from their daring escapades. So, your cat's purrs aren't just soothing to the ear, they could be therapeutic too. It's a wonderful testament to the remarkable and often surprising world of felines. Next time you're feeling under the weather, maybe a cuddle with your purring pet could help. Do you speak cat? If you think this is a fanciful question, think again. Cats communicate with humans using a rich array of vocalizations and body languages. Let's start with the vocal cues. Cats use different sounds to express their needs and emotions. A meow can mean anything from a simple hello to a demand for food, while a purr often signals contentment. A growl or hiss, on the other hand, is a clear sign of displeasure or fear. But it's not all about the sounds. Cats also use their bodies to communicate. A tail held high means your feline friend is feeling friendly, while puffed out fur and an arched back suggest fear or aggression. Ears pinned back? That's a sign of irritation or anxiety. So next time your feline friend meows, purrs, or arches its back, remember, it's not just making noise, it's trying to tell you something. So, those meows and purrs are more than just noise, they're a conversation. Ever received a gift from your cat? If you've ever been the recipient of a dead mouse or bird, don't be alarmed. This is actually a testament to your cat's hunter instinct. Cats are natural-born hunters, and this behavior is ingrained in them from their wild ancestors. It's a survival skill that they've retained, even though domestic cats have been living alongside humans for thousands of years. Now you might be wondering why your cat insists on bringing these little presents home. Well, there are a few theories. Some experts believe that your cat is trying to teach you how to hunt, just like a mother cat would teach her kittens. Others think it's a sign of affection, a way for your cat to show it cares by sharing its catch. So, the next time you find a little surprise waiting for you on the doorstep, remember, it's not a sign of malice. So, those unwanted gifts are actually a sign of love, or training. Ever wondered why most cats hate water? Well, there's more to it than just being a quirky feline trait. One of the main reasons is that their fur doesn't dry quickly. When a cat gets wet, its fur becomes heavier, which can be uncomfortable and even hinder their agile movements, making them feel sluggish and vulnerable. Moreover, cats are descendants of felines that thrived in arid desert climates. These ancestral roots mean that many cats have simply not evolved to love water. They're more accustomed to dry, hot environments, and their bodies are not naturally inclined to handle the chill of a sudden bath. Even the sound of running water can be unsettling for a cat, as it's quite different from the quiet, serene desert landscapes their ancestors roamed, so it's not exactly a fear of water but more of an ingrained discomfort with it. So think twice before you consider giving your cat a bath. Did you know cats are excellent jumpers? That's right, these furry creatures are not just adorable, they're also athletic marvels. A cat can jump up to 6 times its own length. That's like a human jumping over a moving car. Imagine that. And what makes this possible, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to their powerful leg muscles. Cats have strong, flexible bodies and their hind legs are longer than their front legs, which provide the power necessary for their incredible leaping ability. It's a bit like they're equipped with their own set of spring-loaded pistons. This amazing jumping ability is not just for show though. In the wild, it helps them catch prey and escape from predators. Even in our homes, it allows them to navigate and explore their surroundings, reaching high places with ease. So next time you see a cat jump, remember it's not just a leap, it's a super leap. Ever wondered why cats are so independent? Well, let's delve into the feline psyche to unravel this mystery. Cats, unlike dogs, are solitary hunters in the wild. This solitary nature is deeply rooted in their DNA, and has been passed down through generations, shaping their behavior even in a domestic setting. In the wild, a cat's survival depends on its ability to hunt, and this is a solo mission. They observe, stalk, and pounce on their prey all by themselves. This has cultivated a sense of self-reliance and independence in them. Unlike pack animals, cats don't rely on social interaction for survival. When brought into a domestic environment, cats retain this independent streak. They may cuddle, play, and interact with their human companions, but they also need their me time. This is when they retreat to a quiet corner, away from the hustle and bustle of household activities. So, when your cat wants some alone time, remember it's not you, it's their nature. Ever wondered how your cat can see so well in the dark? Well, let's delve into the fascinating world of feline vision. Cats have a distinct advantage when it comes to nocturnal sightseeing, and it all boils down to the unique composition of their eyes. You see, the human eye is filled with two kinds of cells: rods, which handle vision in low light, and cones, which manage color perception and detail. Now, while we humans have a pretty even split between these two, our feline friends are stacked heavily in favor of the rods. This rod-rich design means cats can see better in dim light. Their eyes can pick up even the faintest traces of light, allowing them to navigate the darkest corners with ease. In fact, it's believed that cats can see in near total darkness much better than you and I could ever dream of. So, when your cat stares into the dark, they're probably seeing something you can't. Ever heard the phrase, "cats have 9 lives"? It's a myth that has been around for centuries, permeating cultures around the globe. But where did it come from, and what's the truth behind it? The idea of cats having multiple lives stems from their incredible agility and survival skills. Their uncanny ability to survive high falls and escape dangerous situations with minimal injury may have contributed to this myth. Cats have a unique skeletal structure that allows them to contort their bodies and land on their feet, a phenomenon known as the righting reflex. The number 9 is significant in many cultures. In ancient Egypt, cats were revered, and the number 9 was considered lucky, perhaps contributing to the 9 lives myth. Similarly, in Chinese culture, the number 9 is associated with longevity and eternity. However, it's important to debunk this myth because it could lead to misconceptions about cat safety. Despite their agility and survival skills, cats are not invincible. They are susceptible to diseases, injuries, and accidents just like any other living creature. Cats do not have 9 lives, they have 1 life, and it's our job as pet owners to ensure it's as safe and fulfilling as possible. We should always prioritize their well-being, provide them with regular veterinary care, and keep them safe from hazards. So while cats may not have 9 lives, they certainly live each one to the fullest.